A new bill signed into law hopes to put a dent in the overdose death count as a wave of fentanyl-related deaths plague Oklahoma. Fox 25's Rob Hagan has more on the fight against fentanyl. Rob?
That's right, Wendy. This new law requires first responders to contact law enforcement when they're treating a suspected overdose. Now, supporters say this will reduce the overdose death rate and locate the areas in need of most resources. Others say it'll just reduce the calls to 911. Governor Stitt's using the stroke of a pen to try and reduce the deadly trend of fentanyl overdose deaths sweeping the state. HB 2941, known as the Fentanyl Overdose Reporting Bill, is now the law. The law states first responders must contact law enforcement if they believe someone's overdosing on drugs, but saving the person's life takes priority. The law also grants legal immunity to those making the report. It also stiffens the penalty for mixing fentanyl with other drugs, making it an A2 felony punishable by up to life in prison and fines starting at $50,000. The law also states if fentanyl is found in a victim's blood or toxicology report after a fatal overdose, it can be presumed to be the cause of death, making it easier to prosecute dealers and traffickers. Mark Woodward with the Oklahoma Bureau of Narcotics says this new law will help identify the fentanyl hotspots faster. Woodward says as fentanyl-related overdoses continue to rise, our agency believes this bill is a critical component to reverse this trend. The Oklahoma State Department of Health reports fentanyl was involved in 86% of opioid-related overdose deaths in 2024 compared to just 10 to 20% before 2020. Representative Steve Bayshore, who authored the bill, says the hope is that by bringing first responders, healthcare workers, and law enforcement together, we can save lives. CDC data shows Oklahoma overdose deaths actually dropped nearly 20% from December 2024 to December 2025. Now, did I try to get to the other side of this? Of course I did. I contacted EMSA, OU Health, OSU, and I contacted rehab facilities to simply ask if they believe that calls to 911 will start to be prevented from this law. Since news time, I've not heard back. The law goes into effect November 1st. Live at the state capitol, Rob Hagan, Fox 25 News.